I'm going to go into second gear. I'm going to give it a little bit of a kick. Yeah, there's definitely something there. Well, you'll be pleased to know I've just overtaken the Aston Martin. 10 to 15%. It's real nice.
Let's move on, 'cause it's time to move on.
What I'm going to do, I'm going to just route it around the back of this fuse box here. Nice and dry, it's out of the way of the main heat of the engine. And then the actual module, I'm going to mount this down at the back there. Obviously just make sure that the red plug is pulled all the way out, and then you get it nice and secure when you push it in. So, moment of truth. Let's give this a go. Installation was easy peasy, about 5 minutes. And let's see if I can tell what the performance difference is. Well, there's no lights on the dashboard. So on reading the instructions, it talks about on some models you may find that you get issues with there's a little screw on the front and you need to turn it, and it's basically plug, play, drive and go. It says though, if you find that the difference isn't noticeable, then to try adjusting the screw, take it for a drive 100 to 150 kilometers or so, and then try a bit more. It also mentions that if your fuel economy goes down, you need to go back the other way by rotating it clockwise, and the little screw is on the front and it's just a little flathead screwdriver. So what I thought I'd do is I've reset the miles per gallon. I know roughly what I get on a day-to-day basis on the normal commute into London. So first off, it feels more responsive. The gear changes, yeah, I would, whether it's a placebo effect or whether it's the actual unit, it's a little bit tricky to tell. But I would say, if I put my foot down, and I'm on a motorway, so I'm not going to get done for speeding, that's a highway in America. if I put my foot down now, yeah, there's definitely more of a pickup. The sluggishness is gone. Because it's a VTEC engine, the VTEC kicks in probably around about 5,000 to 6,000 revs, and these cars, they love to revs really high. In fact, the red line doesn't come into just under 7,000, which is almost kind of uncomfortable driving at that sort of high revs, but it does make a difference. And with the chip that I've just put in, what I notice is when I put my foot down, there's not as much of a lag. It picks up far quicker. I'm in 5th gear right now. I'm going to go into 6th gear. Yeah, there's a slight smoothness between the gears. I think the overall sort of feeling that I'm get is on the lower revs, it's picking up faster rather than gaining huge amounts of top end speed, and that's what I expected, is a bit more horsepower to be able to get me out of the flat period that I sometimes used to feel. So I'm into 3rd gear now, I'm doing 30 mile an hour. I'm going to go into 2nd gear. I'm going to give it a little bit of a kick. Yeah, there's definitely something there. Yeah, that's not bad, that's not bad. Just going around a roundabout. That's a round, what do they call them? What do they call it in America? A roundabout. Rotor, is it? The one that goes round, basically. I've just gone round that. So I'm going to head back up the motorway. I'm going to see how fast this accelerates. And for the money, I think it's well worth it. This cost me 70 something pounds. I bought it on Amazon. I'm not affiliated by this company in any way. They give a 30-day money back guarantee. And the installation, well, you saw me, it's about 5 minutes, piece of cake. So anyway, let's see, I've got an Aston Martin to the left of me. Let's see if I can get it. Well, you'll be pleased to know I've just overtaken the Aston Martin. Yeah, there's I'm pleased with it. It's just nice to have that extra little bit of a kick. It's smoothed out those flat spots. It's more lively on the throttle. And all in all, if I was going to give it a rating, yeah, I'll give it probably a 7 or 8 out of 10. So give it a go. It's well worth it. And if you like this sort of thing, I've done all sorts of other videos. Give me a thumbs up, it'd be brilliant. And if you want to subscribe, hey, it's up to you. Really appreciate it if you do. But I've done a whole load of diagnostic videos, which I'll put just at the end there. But I've also done some other things specifically on the Honda, which you might be interested in. And that is how to remove the stereo. Also do a full LED upgrade if you want to know how to get into that. So appreciate you watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.